I've reached my destination where I'm going to go fishing today, and it's very grey and overcast, as you can see around me. However, it's only 8 degrees. It's pretty cold. I've got my rods set up. I'm going to be fishing this lure here. I don't know what it's called, but I coloured that in. I call it my killer lure. I'm going to be fishing this spinner. Nor do I know what the name of that thing is. However, I just love fishing. So I've got to get up over that fence there and head into the lake. It is so beautiful in this forest. This is my walk to get to the actual lake. The track is like this all the way around. It is just beautiful here today. I cannot explain how, though cold it is amazing. Good day to be alive. It's raining. It's not really heavy, but it's raining enough. And it's blowing a westerly wind right into my face off the water. I don't know how I'm going to go here today, but I'm going to persevere. One of the true joys of fishing, despite the rain coming again and the blustery wind, is finding a lure. Now this lure here would have to be about $25, and I just found me one. Woohoo! I can't believe how nice this lure swims that I found. I'll put it in the water. I know it's a bit blurry, however, it's such a good action. I thought it would be a sort of jigging lure. You just jig along like that, for example. But maybe on the pool, oh, it swims really nice. I'm happy. The weather hasn't eased up none, but the light is coming out a bit, the sun, so yeah, it's nice. I'm still having fun. Comes the rain again. Look like somebody's hair. Well, this is what I'm using here. I'm using a jig head with a well, quarter ounce, and it's got a spinner on it. Good action, but I'm not getting a reaction. Well, my friends, I'm going to call it a day. I only had the one fish that took my lure and spat it back out at me. Wasn't very big anyway, approximately a foot. Now, I even fished the calmer waters, still no good, still blowing pretty hard. As you can see, water's gone down a heck of a lot. It used to be right up the back here. But anyway, I've enjoyed myself. I had a really good day and found that lure, which is a big bonus. I fished with it for a while. I don't know,